And the best part about it is that you're not going to be using any capital to start with. It's absolutely free to join these websites, including
Every single day.
Hi guys, what is going on? This is Wycliffe from TechHood254.
And I'm Rita Njiru.
So in this video, we have something super exciting for you, especially if you are a young person, because we have so many teenagers that have been sending us messages wanting to know how they can make money online in Kenya as a teenager. Now, before we even get into this video, if you're new here, this is where we help you learn how to make money online in Kenya the legit way. Now, if you're interested in videos on how to make money or how to make an income online, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell so that you don't miss any of our future videos, because we post just about every single week. So if you want to make money online in Kenya and you are young, one of the issues that you might be facing is the problem of, payment methods. And so a lot of people are scared to work with PayPal. I don't understand why, but if you feel like you are, limited because of payment, want to share a perspective with you that might just open your eyes to what it actually means to make money online. So you need to have the mindset that there are 3 things you need to make money online, regardless of what your age is. Even if you're a teenager, online, nobody really cares about your age. What people are looking for is a product, a service, or a skill. Now, if you have any of these things, you can start making money online as soon as today. So if the problem is that you are not able to access any kind of payment, what you need to do is find an adult that has, is able to apply for a PayPal. Use your parents' PayPal or use a guardian or somebody that you trust. And the methods we're going to be sharing with you are teenager-friendly methods that you can use as soon as today. You can start them today, and you can go ahead and start making money online, even as a teenager in Kenya.
Now, the first platform that you can go to make money as a teenager is Fiverr. Now, Fiverr is a marketplace that connects businesses to freelancers. Now, the good thing about Fiverr is that you can apply for so many gigs, and you can have businesses that are interested in the gigs that you've applied for or that you've posted on Fiverr. So let's say, for example, you're good at video editing, which I know most teenagers are really good at, because we're in the era where TikTok is now a thing and people are doing so many TikTok videos, and there's some really amazing editing skills out here. So if you have these editing skills, of which if you want to be really good and you want to get paid more, you need to do your research and learn more, like build on that skill. You can post that as a gig on Fiverr. Another thing that you can post on Fiverr is if you're good at web design. Now, the good thing about the era that you're living in is that we have the internet, and you can actually teach yourself how to design website without even the coding knowledge or the programming knowledge. So there are so many platforms where you can go and just design a free website, and it's so easy and coding is not required. So that's another gig that you can post on Fiverr, and you can get money from that. Others that I'm going to mention, like logo design. You can design logos on Canva. You can help people who have like social media pages that are like business social media pages to manage these pages, because they are social media managers, like who go and help people who have businesses to manage their social media, whether it's on Instagram, on Facebook. And you can even design posters, and like there's an array of things that you can do, even voiceovers. So if you're the kind of person that is really creative in using your voice, because your voice is a God-given gift. If you have that gift and you can use your voice, you can change your voice, and there are companies that are looking for people who can do voiceovers for their advertisement. So Fiverr is a great platform to go to, and the lowest amount of money that you can earn on Fiverr is $5. So that's really good, because that's like 500 shillings. And if you are staying at home with your folks, like 500 shillings is a good amount of money, like if that's the lowest thing that you earn. But as you continue building your skill, of which we insist on building your skill, you get to earn more.
Exactly. So in the description box below, we are going to share with you 24 or around 20 something gigs that you can post on Fiverr and as a teenager, and you can start by checking those out and see which one of them works out for you. All right, guys. So the next method that you can use to make money online in Kenya as a teenager is known as print on demand. So if you don't know what print on demand is, we've already discussed that on this channel before, but we're going to link it down in the description box below and also on the top right corner. So basically, print on demand is where you are selling or you're creating designs that go on t-shirts, wearables, and anything else that people can wear, or even products that are used around the house, such as mugs. And you will be working with a company that will fulfill all these orders. So if you had already watched the first version of this video, we created a video talking about a particular website known as Cafe Press, and we later discovered that the information we got online wasn't quite credible, and so it's not available for Kenyans to use. So we had to go back and find something that you can use. So Redbubble is actually one of the reliable print on demand websites that you can use as a teenager to make money online in Kenya. And the other one is known as Teespring. So as you can see here, we've already created an account uh, for both Redbubble and for Teespring, just to show you that it's possible to sign up for both of these accounts. Right now, obviously, it's reading 0 because this account is brand new, but we are going to be starting out this print on demand, and we will be sharing exactly how it turns out with you. So if you are interested in, starting out with print on demand, make sure you do your research, find out whether this is the right thing for you, and we'll be sharing our, not just our experience with it, but also our print on demand journey. So back to Redbubble, I just want to show you what the dashboard looks like. If you scroll down, you will see different designs. And if you are good at art, this is something you should definitely consider trying, because you're simply going to be creating, different designs and having these designs go on clothing items and all that other, house products, things such as mugs and stuff like that. But also, if you're not good at creating designs, you can use simple text to go on the shirts, as long as you can find something that's catchy and interesting. And guess what? You can also have these things going on phone cases as well. On Redbubble, it looks like they've even got, you can have them on masks, because that's something that people are currently wearing. You can have them on, you can create wall art, and there's just a wide variety of things you can create designs for. And the best part about this is that it's not limited to, there's really no limit to the number of designs you can make. So basically, the revenue model here, or the business model for print on demand, works this way. You create a design that goes on any of these products here. And when when somebody comes over here and makes a purchase, this company will pay you a bulk of that money, and they get to keep a small percentage of it, because they're the ones providing the phone cases, they're the ones providing the t-shirts. And basically, you don't need to have any of these things. All you do is create the product design, and that's it. Wait for your money. And also, um, these two platforms actually work via PayPal, and that means you're gonna have to sign up for PayPal. If you don't, have a PayPal, it's going to limit you. So you're gonna have to sign up for PayPal if you want to try out this method. But that isn't hard. There are several videos here on YouTube for how to sign up for PayPal. Like we've mentioned before,
when this video was starting, you just have to get somebody that has a PayPal account if you're too young to sign up for one. So that is print on demand. Let us know down below if you've got any questions, and we'll be happy to share the answers to those with you. Like we've mentioned, we're going to be sharing our experience and a lot more on how to go about this process.
The next platform that you can use to make money online as a teenager is YouTube. Now, we all know YouTube and we use YouTube every single day of our lives, especially the young people. We use YouTube a lot. So, the thing with YouTube is that you need to be able to produce quality content that attracts your audience to your videos. And as a teenager, you can come up with a video channel of about anything like you're interested in. For example, let's say you're interested in reviewing
Video games.
video games or even tech devices, because there's some teenagers who are really into phones and laptops, or you're really interested in reviewing things like cars. These are just examples. Or you're good at DIY is do it yourself projects, where you can come up with really creative things for house decorations or stuff like that. So you're producing content for a specific audience, and when you get your audience to view your YouTube videos, you can actually monetize. Eventually, you can monetize your videos, your YouTube channel, using Google AdSense, and Google AdSense pays you via check. So, and it's not the only way you can monetize your YouTube channel, and you can go online and research on the different ways to monetize YouTube. Eventually, in our videos, we are going to show you just a few tricks on how to use YouTube to better create like good content and get it monetized.
Exactly. So method number 4 is affiliate marketing. And we are super huge on this method, especially on this channel, because we know how powerful it is. Now, we also love affiliate marketing because there's no age limit to this thing. So if you've never heard about affiliate marketing, it's simply where you find a product or a service that belongs to another company and you promote this product. And when somebody makes a purchase through your special link that you're given, you get paid a commission. So a lot of Kenyans are already familiar with affiliate marketing, but what we notice is people do it completely wrong on these platforms, on these social media platforms, because they will get a link and they will just be spamming it all over the place, sharing their links on YouTube under the comment section of random YouTube videos. And so it's good for you to understand how affiliate marketing works. In essence, what you need to do as an affiliate marketer, even as a teenager, is to understand that people are looking to make a purchase for something. Now, this can be about anything. So what you need to do as an affiliate marketer is to help this person make a decision by providing them with the necessary information that they need to be able to decide. Okay, so for instance, let's say that on YouTube here, there's an example of a video that we did about how to, 3 methods that you can use to make money online in Kenya. And one of those videos was talking about a website building platform known as Hostfiti. So when we are sharing information with you about, how you can create a website and how you can create, an affiliate program, we were talking about this website building platform. And so we put our, affiliate link for Hostfiti in the description box. And that video actually, within less than 2 or 3 weeks, we had somebody that purchased the product using our link. So that is an example of how this thing works. You don't just go out there and pick, start referring people to things that they don't understand. And that's another video we're going to be talking about so that you can avoid scams. But this is something that you don't need to really be at a certain age. All you need to do is find a product from a favorite brand that you have discovered out there and sign up for their affiliate program, and you can go on to start making money with that. So there's a few other examples we've shared other than HostFiti. We've also talked about a platform, or it's not really a platform, but it's a company known as Kwetu Living. And so this is a place where young people or people that are in campus can go and stay. It's an accommodation place. And so they have an affiliate program that pays you 2,500 shillings for every single person that you refer to join Kwetu. And so you can easily make money using such methods. And you just have to know how to market. Again, even with referral programs, if you don't know how to market, you're still not going to be making any money. So those are some of the methods we wanted to share with you. Please, guys, if you have any questions regarding this particular video, leave them down in the comment section. We will be there to answer all the questions that you might be having. Let us know any other concerns that you might be having regarding like the videos that we make. And just an encouragement, guys, if you want to make money online, pay attention to the information in these videos, because sometimes we have people sending us messages about something that we've already taken time to cover in the video, and we've even put information in the description box. So if you don't read that and then you ask the questions, it just shows that you're not taking your time to invest in what you're trying to do, which is making money online. So please pay attention to the information and also the content in the description box.
Another thing that I would like teenagers to know, especially the ones that are interested in making money online, is that the biggest chunk of the work is on you. That means that we are going to guide you the best way that we can, and we have done the research before we have made this video. So we would like you to know that the research aspect of it, where you get to find out more about Fiverr, that chunk is on you. There's so much that you can learn online. The internet is full of information. You will find all kinds of people just telling you how to apply for things, how to apply for a gig, and all these things. So please pay attention to what we are saying, and please do your part of the research. So thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe and share this information. Bye.
See ya.